Namaste. My name is Yogacharya Rakesh. Today's topic is the number 108. Why it is so significant in the yogic practice? You must have seen a japa mala that is used to chant a specific mantra initiated for 108 times. The main reason is the human system has 108 chakras, and chanting a specific mantra for 108 times purifies the entire system of the human body. There are 108 nadis intersecting through Anahata chakra, the heart chakra, and Sushumna is one among them. And chanting a specific mantra for 108 times helps in purifying these nadis too. There are other reasons too to consider why 108 is so significant. Sanskrit language has 54 letters. Each letter has a feminine and masculine energies, the Shiva and Shakti, leading to 108 types of energies in the Sanskrit language, just in the form of letters. Sri Chakra is one of the most significant mandalas in the Tantra practice. It has 54 intersections, and each intersection has a feminine and masculine energies, the Shiva and Shakti energies, that is also leading to 108. The distance between the sun and the earth is 108 times the sun's diameter. The distance between the earth and the moon is 108 times of moon's diameter, and it is because of the same reason we see moon having the same size that of the sun during the eclipses. In Vedic astronomy, there are 27 nakshatras, each one consisting 4 padas leading to 108. There are 12 rashis, the houses, with Navagrahas, 9 planets, again leading to 108. We also know that there are 108 Upanishads, the essence of the Vedic wisdom. In the tradition of Krishna, we believe that there were 108 gopis dancing with Krishna in his Rasa Leela. As per the Vaishnava tradition, there are 108 Divya Deshas, or the temples of Vishnu, situated in India and in Nepal. In the 4th chapter, Tandava Lakshana, in the Bharata Muni's Natya Shastra, the most important text on Indian classical dance, he explains 108 Karanas, the key transitions. Even the Marma Shastra says that there are 108 marmas in the subtle body. In Buddhist practices, Gautama Buddha answers 108 questions as per Lankavatara Sutra. In Anguttara Nikaya, the 4th division of Sutta Pitaka, it explains that there are 18 types of cravings of the past, the present and the future of each sensory organ. There are 5 sensory organs and 1 the mind. So in total there are 6 with 18 subtypes of each sensory organ, 18 into 6 leading to 108. The other 2 significant numbers are 9 and 12. Combination of 9 and 12 again leading to 108. There are 12 steps of Surya Namaskaras in traditional Hatha Yoga, whereas in Ashtanga Yoga there are 9 steps in practicing Surya Namaskara A. Practicing Surya Namaskara for 108 times on every Sunday, or maybe for 108 days, is a wonderful way to build your strength and flexibility. If you like the video, share it with other yogis and yoginis. Subscribe Samyak Yoga YouTube channel for more videos. Om Bye.